Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a table in Canva presentation. So first of all, you have to search for a presentation format, and then let's say this is the presentation I'll be using. So you just have to simply click on the customize this template, and you can see this is a multiple page presentation. So to add a table on your presentation or presentation specific page, you just have to simply click the page and click on elements from here, and now you just have to search for table. And after searching for table, you can see there are multiple options for the tables. You can just select any of them and just drag and drop it here, and you can just adjust your table as you're liking, and you can just drag and place it where you find it suitable to place. And like this, you can just also place it on the corner, and as you can see, the table has been successfully added to the presentation. So that's how you can add table on your Canva presentation. So see you on the next video, guys.